Hey Pokémon fans and artists, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to demonstrate the process of drawing the adorable and popular Pokémon Sylveon on a digital tablet. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I bring this charming character to life using digital art techniques. Who knows, you might even pick up a few tips along the way. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this delightful Sylveon artwork on a digital tablet. It's always a pleasure to share my art journey with all of you, and I hope it inspires you to explore the world of digital art and Pokémon further. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more art demonstrations and creative content. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, happy drawing!